Hello, welcome back to my channel, Learning Indonesian with me, Hani. Many of my students ask me about the difference between tidak and bukan and how to use it. According to Indonesian dictionary, tidak is a negative to express denial or refusal. In English, it's actually same as no. And bukan is used to deny something which is actually not true. How to use tidak and bukan? Tidak is more general. Indonesian use tidak for many things. For example, if you want to say something that you don't want and something that you don't like. So, for example, if someone asks you, do you want to eat? And if you want to say that no, I don't want to eat, and no, and then in Indonesian you have to say tidak. Do you want to eat? Tidak. You also can say tidak for expressions such as tidak suka, don't like, tidak mau, don't want, tidak apa-apa, no problem. Tidak also can be used with adjective. What is adjective? Poor, pretty, rich, good, expensive are the example of adjective. So if you want to say not good, then in Indonesian you have to say tidak bagus. If you want to say not expensive, then you have to say tidak mahal. So how about bukan? How to use bukan? Bukan is to deny something which is not the truth. And normally it used with noun. What is noun? Country, person, items, animal are the example of noun. So you can use bukan to say, I'm not Anita. Saya bukan Anita. Anita is a noun. Another one, I'm not Indonesian. Saya bukan orang Indonesia. Orang Indonesia is a noun. So if someone asks you, are you Indonesian? And then you want to say, no, I'm not Indonesian. Then you have to answer, bukan. Bukan orang Indonesia. If someone asks you again, is this your cell phone? Is this your cell phone? And if you want to say, well, that's not my cell phone, then you have to say bukan. Don't say tidak, but say bukan, because that's not your cell phone. Well, I hope this video can explain how to use tidak and bukan, and after watching this video, you can understand how to use it and can practice by yourself. If you want to see more video like this, and if you want to learn more lessons, you can write down your comment below what kind of video that you want to see. And don't forget to subscribe and like if you like this video and you want to watch more. Thank you for watching my video, and sampai jumpa!